हेलो, नमस्कार। स्वागत है आपका हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल पे इंटेंसिफाई योर पर्सनालिटी। तो दोस्तों, हमारा ये 5वां दिन है और आज हम सीखने वाले हैं पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट पे book recommendations. Today I'll be giving you a recommendation on the book and that will be helpful for your personality development, also for changing your mindset, building your mindset. No, the difference between you, the winner, and the somebody who has quit, that is the loser, I mean the failure. Difference is nothing but the mindset. If that mindset you can acquire, then all set, you can achieve whatever you wish to. कहने का मतलब ये है कि जो डिफरेंस जो होते हैं एक विनर में और एक जो क्विट कर देता है, जो फेलियर में, डिफरेंस कुछ नहीं है, बस सोच का फासला है और कुछ नहीं। अगर आप वो सोच हासिल कर लेते हैं, अगर आप माइंडसेट वो हासिल कर लेते हैं, डन, यू कैन अचीव एवरीथिंग। जो आप सोचते हो आप हर चीज़ हासिल कर सकते हो अपने लाइफ में। डेट्स ऑल। सो जो रिकमेंड मैं करने वाला हूँ बुक का नाम है, अगर आप पहली बार आप कोई बुक पढ़ना चाहते हैं, मैं रिकमेंड करूँगा आपको सेल्फ डेवलपमेंट बुक का, मतलब सेल्फ हेल्प बुक। सभी बुक मैं रिकमेंड नहीं करता। अगर आप ऑलरेडी पढ़ रहे हैं, कोई किसी तरह का बुक पढ़िए, मैं मना नहीं करूँगा, लेकिन हाँ, सेल्फ हेल्प बुक ज़रूर पढ़िए। सेल्फ हेल्प बुक इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। वाई इट इज़ इंपॉर्टेंट? बिकॉज इट इज़ गोइंग टू हेल्प यू बिल्ड यू एंड यू कैन रीड अगेन एंड अगेन, अगेन एंड अगेन, अगेन एंड अगेन। वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। सेल्फ हेल्प बुक को बार बार पढ़ सकते हैं। ये बाकी नॉर्मल बुक की तरह नहीं होता है। ये बुक होता है, अब चुन चुन कर पढ़िए। सभी सेल्फ हेल्प बुक अच्छे नहीं होते हैं, कुछ सेल्फ हेल्प बुक बहुत अच्छे होते हैं जिसको आप बार बार पढ़ सकते हो। उसमें से इंस्पिरेशन, मोटिवेशन आप ले सकते हैं। सीखने को बहुत कुछ होता है। तो उनमें से कोई एक बुक मैं आपको बताऊँगा, एक ही बताऊँगा, इसलिए ताकि आप स्टार्ट करें। Otherwise, lot of books I'll recommend you and you are not going to start. That is not going to help you actually. One book, एक ही बुक बताऊंगा जिससे आपको हेल्प मिले, आपका माइंडसेट बिल्डअप हो. You can build your mindset. Also, it will be helpful in your communications, in your personality development, in every area. And that's why I'll be recommending you one book. The book is from the very famous author. He is a motivational speaker. He is international motivational speaker basically. He is now also a career coach. He is now giving speeches on all the international platform. He is a TEDx speaker and lot of things. He is none other than Shiv Khera ji, Mr. Shiv Khera. Now his book, he has lot of books actually published and those are all best-selling books. One book I'll recommend you, which I have also starting when I started reading books, because you know when I was young, I was not reading any kind of book actually. I was only limited to the academic books, but it was not helping me, and there was no any kind of traction or no any kind of like inspiration to read. Nobody get me. But fortunately, a book came. The first book was of Shiv Khera ji, and that book really changed my thought process, my mindset towards education, towards reading book, towards everything. And that book, let me tell you finally, book is You Can Win. This is the name of the book, You Can Win. You can note it down because this is going to help you. Do not forget it. You Can Win. You'll find on all the platforms, Amazon, Flipkart, or even on the offline stores. You'll find this book. This book is very very important. I suggest you to buy the hard book. Why hard book? Because you can highlight it, you can underline it, and you can refer it again and again. You can read it again and again. Once you need to read whole books, after that you read only the highlighted books, and that is going to give you inspiration always. Whenever you feel you're looking for some kind of motivation, go to that book, pick the book, read any para, and then you'll get an inspiration very quickly. Very very nice book. Many stories are there, many articles are there, which is very very inspirational, and you'll enjoy it. I'm very sure for that, because I enjoyed it. I recommend to all my students, all my mentee, whoever they haven't started reading book, they haven't heard about the self-help book kind of a thing, and so when I recommend them, they start reading, and when they start reading, they used to thank me, and that is a different kind of feelings. So I recommend to everybody, start reading this book, You Can Win. Very good book. I will not give you summary of it because it's not a story actually. There are a lot of small stories which you will get inspiration, but I cannot give you the whole summary of that book. It's difficult actually. Even if I make a summary of it, you'll not get the actual inspiration, the energy, the kind of like change which is intended by that book. You won't get by giving you the summary you're getting from somebody. That is second source of getting information. If you get from the first hand, from the book, from the source, then you get the original, the quality of inspiration, the quality of knowledge, the quality of energy you get, that is very very high. And that's why purchase their book, invest 300 rupees, 400, whatever the price of the book. Nowadays it's also available in the e format. Print it, get that printed, and then have that book, have a highlighter, highlight it and use it, and that way it is going to help you. Very nice book. So this is all for somebody who has not started at all. Even if you have already read this book, then you can go to some other book. Like you can selling is a very good quality book. This is a very very important book. Everybody should learn. Don't think that I'm an engineer, I'm a CA, I'm a MBA, I'm a so and so. Don't have this kind of mentality that since I'm not into the field of sales, so I should not learn this, I should not read this book. This is a skill every people should learn, every people should know it. I'm not telling you to be expert, that's not an expertise book actually, but that's a kind of inspiration we get for our day-to-day life. Read that book, it's a very nice book. But if you have not read, please start from the You Can. That's a very good book, and that is going to help you a lot, that's for sure. So that's all for today. And friends, if you haven't liked and shared and subscribed to the channel, do like, share and subscribe. This is a kind of an encouragement I get, so that I keep coming with the good quality videos, inspirational learning videos which will help you intensify your personality. And that's the whole channel is devoted for personality development. So friends, do like, share and comment. Do share because ज्ञान बांटने से बढ़ती है. So see you then, friends. This is Naresh Mato signing off.